Hey everyone, I want to show you a new video tool that I am loving. This is Capsule. Capsule is a text-based video editor, very much like Descript, but they make it so easy to drop in really fun, dynamic text and animations right on top of your video. Super simple, already pre-built. So here's a video that I have already made that I wanted to share with you. You're trying to figure out which of these parts would warrant a video and when can I sit down with this person again to record that video? How deep should we go? So you can see really nice animations, simple text that I've just dropped in. Again, one of those editors where you can just kind of like highlight the thing you want to delete or cut and do all of those things to it. But one of their new features is really lovely. So I do love purple. That's kind of like my color of choice for when I'm doing a video. But I don't know, what if I want to get crazy and match my sweater? I have the option to jump in here and edit all of these different design systems. So here's one that matches my sweater in the video, you know, matchy. And I don't really know if I like the contrast in this. So let's see, we can shuffle it. And we can shuffle it once more and kind of, oh, okay, that's feeling a little better. So let's go there and we can hit save. And now I can jump back to that exact same spot and we can see how it looks. Okay, so not really feeling this here, but I can always jump in and I can change up what's going on in there as well. So I can change that over to a different design system color. That does feel a little better. So, you know, this is just kind of fun, the fun stuff you can play around with where it is on the screen very easily. Again, these are already kind of pre-created, which is great. The other nice thing is they have a whole bunch of different templates. So I could jump in here and I don't know, maybe I want something like really different and I can switch over to this one called Impact, which is like very big and bold. I can switch over to maybe this amp. Let's see what that one looks like. And again, like I can jump in here and I can change captions to be a couple different colors. Like maybe this just isn't doing it for me. I want to change it up a little bit. That feels a little easier to read there with the blue. So super interesting tool you can play around with. And the cool thing is you can go in and you can edit any of these. So I can change this to be something that is more in my palette for my brand, whatever you need to do to make it feel like you, which is really, really exciting. Definitely recommend giving Capsule a try. I'll drop a link in this post. You can take a look and let me know what you think. I think it might be knocking Descript out of the top spot for me for text-based video editor. Have fun.